it's Elaine, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make space buns for short hair. First, I'm going to split my hairline right in the middle, but it's really hard to get in the middle, so I just somewhat do it in the middle, and I tie one side of the hair so it doesn't get on my way. Then I get the other side and make a ponytail. Nice. And then same for the other side. Nice. And I take out all my baby hair and my side hair because we're going to use that later on. I have so much baby hair, it literally looks like I have a see-through bean or something. Today we're going to need bobby pins and a lot of them. Now we're going to start brushing our hair the opposite way. The more tangled, the more volume the space bun will have. So we're going to twist it like a normal bun we would do, but as we go, we're going to kind of clean the mess so the bun doesn't look too messy. And then not with too much force, but I'm going to lightly curl it around. And then place the bobby pins in my hair so it becomes stable. Honestly, 2 bobby pins is pretty stable already, but if you want to be more stable, then you could put more bobby pins. Same with the other side, we're going to tangle them by brushing it the opposite way. Boom! Nice. We're going to twist them, and while twisting, organizing them just a little bit on the sides, and like that. We're going to lightly put them around. And put bobby pins. Like that. Nice. Now I'm going to turn on my hair straightener and gonna curl that area. But first, I'm going to concentrate on my back because I have short hair and I know a lot of hair are going to fall out. So I'm just taking out the hair that is about to fall out later on throughout the day and gonna pin them with my hairpin. I just kind of divide them in the middle and use 2 hairpins to make them stable. I'm gonna get my straightener and curl it outwards. Because my hair's too straight, it doesn't look too good when it's like that, so I'm just gonna curl it and add a little bit more nickings into it. You can't really see because my background is so messy, but yeah, that is how it's gonna look like. Curl it outwards. Now it's time for the baby hair, but you could lay out the edges if you want or whatever you like to do, but for me, I'm just gonna curl it so it can match with my side hair. And I'm twisting it like that so that it is more visible because my hair is very thin. And as you see, my bun is really messy now because as time passes, it's just getting messier and messier. But to prevent that, you could use a hairspray. But I know some people like to have a messy bun, so whichever one you prefer. Hi, this is the end of my space bun video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe and to give a like as well. I'll see you guys next time.